Hey, Invest in WI here, Jay Hill and the gang. We're at 3504 East 21st Place. Beautiful Lake Station. 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch. 2-car garage with storage. Man, it's got to be at least an acre of land. Right back there, Lake Station High School. That's the baseball field that butts up against the property here. And we'll see the backyard in a second. They started a little rehab, but just didn't finish. Siding looks good. New architectural roof. We're gonna go on the side door because they were working on the door in the front. And this looks like the door that's most used anyway. Let's check out the doorbell. It doesn't work. All right, moving on in. I'm gonna step upstairs. Kitchen, recently remodeled. Oak cabinets. Flooring, ceramic, brand new, shiny. Appliances are basic. Fridge, no stove, but you do have a microwave where the stove should be. Then we step out into the living area, which faces Ripley Boulevard. High traffic, easy to get to the expressway, so you have best of both worlds here. You got the calm, cool nature of the high school and field on that side we entered in. And then you got the madness of Ripley Boulevard. All right, I'm sorry for the darkness in this room. Taking this video a little too late on this side of the house, and the lighting was ripped out because they were replacing it. So that's a large room number 1. This is the 2nd bedroom. Come on down the hallway. It's bedroom number 3. So that front bedroom was the largest of the 3. And then we've got a full bath that was recently remodeled. Whirlpool tub. New flooring. Cabinetry. And fixtures. Lights, light bulbs need to be changed. Let's go ahead and head downstairs to the full basement. It's getting a little darker, so I'll go a little quicker. Sorry if it's messing up your eyes. So lighting in the hallway is out for right now, but obviously can be done for the low price of a bulb. All right, so this is the laundry room. They're just kind of putting stuff in. New sink, ventilation for the dryer, washer dryer hookups. New mechanicals over here. It's a tight little corner. I do have pics on the site for that. Come into the basement area. That box over in the right-hand corner, full of ceramic tile, which I think they had here to redo the flooring down here. Stove. If y'all can get it to work, I think it would be a really cool and neat addition to the house, inside or out. I'm not sure what was going on with the way that they were going to lay out the rooms. They're pretty tight, but you can knock out some of these walls, create a little bit larger floor plan. This takes you to the back area, kind of storage area that they had. And they were working on putting in another bathroom down here. So which leads me to believe that they were probably gonna try and rough in a new bedroom as well and put in a new bedroom. So this is a rough in for the bath. And they have the shower stuff already here. New door, as you can see. Had the shower stuff ready to go, but never quite got to turn the corner on that. Let's go outside in the backyard, which is gigantic. Expressway, Ridley, or Ridley, is that what it is? Boulevard, or 6 East, means yeah, South, I guess, I'm confused. Anyway, then we've got the property line that goes all the way down where that fence wraps around the big tree right there. Back of the house, gutters and siding again are in good order. Brand new roof, relatively new mechanics, both on the air conditioning, the furnace, and the water heater. I'll take you around to the other side. You can see the house is in pretty good working order. Good bones. So this is 3504 East 21st Place. Thanks for looking, and we'll see you soon.